Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the HGLRC X5 and D5 5-inch frames. In this quick video, I'm going to assemble the frames and go over their features and specs, and soon I'm going to feature the D5 frame in a build and flight video in which I'm going to test the new HD0 1W freestyle digital video transmitter. First of all, in terms of packaging, here you can see everything that comes inside the box of the frame. So the frame kit includes some stickers, two 25 cm long high-quality battery Velcro straps, the assembly diagram of the frame, 4 interchangeable carbon fiber arms, the top, middle and side carbon fiber plates, 4 elastic bands which are used for protecting the stack, 2 side aluminum plates for securing the FPV camera, all the screws, spacers, nuts and standoffs that are required for assembling the frame, 2 plastic tubes and rubber covers for protecting the antennas of the radio receiver, an XT60 battery connector which is designed to be secured to the top plate and is pre-soldered to 10 cm long 14-gauge silicone-coated wires, an anti-skid sticker for the battery, and plenty of 3D printed TPU parts that are going to enable you to protect the bottom of the frame and mount a GPS unit, an action camera, and radio receiver and VTX antennas. Now I'm going to assemble both frames and I'll see you in a bit in order to check the results. Now, as you can see, both frames are assembled. Just for demonstration purposes, on the X5 version I've attached most of the 3D printed TPU parts and the XT60 battery connector, and the only difference between the two versions is the layout of the frame. So the D5 frame features a wide X pattern and the X5 frame features a true X pattern. In terms of features and specs, the thickness of the replaceable 5-inch carbon fiber arms is 5 mm and the width is between 13.8 to 10.8 mm. The thickness of the bottom and middle plates is 2 mm and the thickness of the top carbon fiber plate is 2.5 mm. The distance between the middle and top plates is 25 mm. The frame supports micro-sized FPV cameras. On the center of the frame, you can find 20 by 20 M3 and 30.5 by 30.5 M4 mounting holes for securing your stack, and on the back of the frame, plenty of 20 by 20 mm M3 and M2 mounting holes for mounting your video transmitter. The weight of the D5 frame without any accessory is 122.7 grams, and the weight of the X5 frame, including most of the accessories, is 146.3 grams. In addition, the wheelbase of the D5 frame is 225 mm, and as I mentioned before, it features a wide X pattern, and the wheelbase of the X5 frame is 210 mm, and it features a true X pattern. Anyway, as far as I can tell, both frames look like a good option for a freestyle build, as they feature high-quality components and they are well packed with accessories. And the feature that I like the most about these frames is the central spine that locks the arms properly in their position, which in turn makes the tuning procedure much easier as it reduces vibrations. That's going to do it for this video. As I mentioned earlier, I am going to feature the D5 frame in a build and flight video pretty soon, so stay tuned for the build and flight video, especially if you are interested in the new HD0 video transmitter. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.